Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here again with the one more example based on list, and aim of this program is to reverse a list from the specific location. So you all can see here we have one variable nums equal to, and we have assigned some value 10, 20, 30, 40, and likewise till 80. And then we are asking, or not actually we are asking, we are assuming that if we want to do the reversing part from start equal to 2 and end equal to 5, during this gap we want to reverse. And then first of all we are printing nums, okay, as it is original list we are printing. So this is nothing but our logic part, and this is just for checking purpose that in each iteration what exactly it will print the value of start and end. Okay, so just for that purpose, otherwise if you don't want, you do not write that. But right now I have written just for the understanding purpose. Start is 2 and less than end is 5, so condition is true, it will go inside. So num, that is our original this name. So num of 2 comma num of 5 equal to num of 5 comma num of 2. So this 60 will come at 30 place and 30 will go at 60 place. So that will be the first change. Okay. Then we are printing starts to 2 and then end 5. We are incrementing start with the this thing, what you can say, increment by 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and end will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 2 and it becomes 3 and 4 now. New value of start 3 and end will be 4. 3 less than 4. So again condition true. So num of 3 and num of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are swapping this two. So 50 will come here, 40 will go here. And then again we are printing, it is start is 3 and end is 4. And then it will be like again start equal to 4 but end equal to now 3. 4 less than 3, condition false, it will come out of this loop. So now we will get 10, 20 first, then we will get 60, then we will get 50, then we will get 40 over here and 30 over here. So we'll quickly check the output also. See, this is original. Then start and end value, like first loop, then again one more type loop, start and end, and then it is showing 10, 20 as it is, but then 60, 50, 40 and 30, and again remaining 2 also as it is only. Thank you everyone.